I'm gonna have to go with the other one now.
Which one?
That one.
Okay, that's the one we can't get anymore.
Oh man.
So we got a call from Josh at Diversified Cuts. He expanded his barber shop. He gave us a call, said he wanted to do some new stuff with his signage. So here we are to talk to him about what he'd like to do. So we got the old sign over here from the previous business. And then
So
we
you
have,
did the,
we have your original sign that we did, what, 5 or 6 years ago?
Yeah.
And then I guess we want to take both of those down and do something that encompasses the
Yeah.
whole storefront.
Basically, I want to tie the two sides together. So since we moved over here,
Okay.
and this is the entrance, so we're gonna probably have the exit out this way. I just want people to know, like, both buildings are
Diversified Cuts.
diversified cuts.
Okay. Faces are black, which is really cool because it's dual-light, black during the day, and then it actually.
Oh, so this don't. This. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it comes like a.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was a vinyl or something. Oh wow.
Yeah. The other is that we're doing the clear backs with green vinyl on. So here's the face of the letter. This is the back of the letter. Okay? They're gonna live like that on each other with a metal canister around it that'll separate the two. This will allow the sign to be white at night with green light coming out the back. So what we did was made small mock-ups of what the letter would actually do, meaning it has white light coming out in the front at night and green halo light coming out the back. And then we wanted to actually produce what the results would be going against a green background, a light colored wood background, and then a light color metal background. So we made, again, mock-ups of each one so we could kind of process in real time what they looked like, because this is such a unique application that we really didn't know what was going to be produced.
So I like this one because it reminds me of that color.
It reminds you of that color.
But this is like the lights that are there now. The logo on the front is kind of that color now. You know what I mean? But that is like a unique color too.
It is unique.
So. I'm gonna have to go with the other one now.
Which one?
That one.
Okay, that's the one we can't get anymore.
Oh man.
With that being said, though, we can get something similar.
Right.
We just have to find something similar.
Right. So one of them would probably work. Because the one you have back there now is the one that had.
Yeah, exactly.
300.
8300 grass green.
So working on the sign that we just put up, it was a very smooth process. I went in there with some ideas. Wes sat down with me, went over different material, different lighting, what it would look like in the daytime, what it would look like in the nighttime. As the sign was going up, a lot of people would come in and say, "Oh wow, you're getting a new sign. Looks like a lot of work. You know, what are they doing?" And kind of explained to them what they were doing. That we've been working on it for a while, and they were finally getting it up. Even after it went up, I had people calling me and texting me or sending me messages on social media just telling me how nice the sign looked. So it's definitely getting the attention we wanted.
So this is what we did for Josh 5 or 6 years ago. This is his new space over there. We're gonna take the whole space and transform it.